So it runs Android natively, is that the case?
It's Android 5.0,
Right.
Lollipop. So it's an embedded system, infotainment system with Bluetooth and free. Okay. Player, air control, you can control temperature in your car. You have dash cam. Android Auto. So we have player, articles, phone, maps. Right. So back to system. We have a driver. There's some report of our last drive. Some information from your car. Auto graphics. Les full features. Simple mode, equalizer simple mode, that you have the phone.
And then we have the model. Where does it record? The RNB6. Double then replace.
You have a balance.
It can run standard on Parrot. So it's basically a new system.
And when you finish, you can share it to a community. And the people can use your audio setting.
Right.
You have a park assist.
So based on different vehicles, you guys have different settings.
So does that only work with cars that have parking assistance, or?
Yes, all one. We have a protocol to support. GPS GLONASS, digital tuner, microphone, HDMI, dashcam, OBD, onboard diagnostic, USB, Ethernet, in-vehicle, and amplifier, audio amplifier.
Right.
So it's a Parrot RNB6 mod with an iPhone.
Okay.
So now we are going to a CarPlay mode.
Right.
The application from the phone.
With Spotify, Twitter, podcast, with a safety mode.
Okay. All right.
But it's totally the same.
Yeah.
Just because the smart one is not the same.
Yeah. I just wanted to.